If you're experiencing issues with Apex Legends updates getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to stream a video. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve update issues. Make sure to check for any updates again after restarting. Step 3. Clear cache. If you re-on a console, clear the cache by turning off the console and plugging it for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. For PC users, you can clear the cache by navigating to the GameOS installation folder and deleting temporary files. Step 4. Check for system updates. Make sure your gaming platform PC, Xbox, PlayStation is updated to the latest version. System updates can sometimes affect game performance and update processes. Check for updates in your system settings. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Apex Legends. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. Make sure to back up any important data before doing this. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of updates getting stuck in Apex Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.